हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल दी सेलिंग बेस्ट। चैनल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिए। साथ ही में बेल आइकन को भी क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आने वाले सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिल जाएंगे एंड मुझे भी एनकरेजमेंट मिलता है आपके लिए नए नए इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस अपलोड करने के लिए। सो दिस इज़ द सेट नंबर 1 फॉर मरीन बॉयलर एंड स्टीम इंजीनियरिंग कोर्स फॉर मैनेजमेंट एंड ऑपरेशनल लेवल, और जिसको MBSO एंड MBSM भी कहते हैं। एंड इट इज़ फॉर DG शिपिंग एग्जिट एग्जामिनेशन। कंबाइंड क्वेश्चन सेट है with answers, set number 1. So question 1, in relation to ship's boiler, identify an incorrect statement. So correct answer is D. Convection of heat depends upon the heat transfer coefficient but not the temperature difference. Question number 2, in relation to ship's boiler thermodynamics, identify an incorrect statement. So correct answer is D. Enthalpy can be expressed as a total which must be measured from absolute zero. Question number 3, staggering of tubes in ship's boiler and arrangement of gas flowing through the tubes has nothing to do with water turbulence and circulation. So it is true. Question number 4, in relation to ship's boiler, identify incorrect statement. So answer is C. Convection current in water alone completes the transfer of heat from burning fuel to the water and steam. Question number 5. If the oil scraper ring is I will repeat again. Question number 5. If the oil scraper ring drain hole in diesel engine piston becomes plugged, so answer is C. Oil consumption will increase. Question number 6. The pressure energy of exhaust gas is converted into kinetic energy in, answer is C, turbine nozzle. Question number 7. When the leak has developed in the lube oil cooler of an operating diesel engine, which of the listed operating conditions can be take place? So correct answer is B. Lube oil level decreases. Question number 8. Which of the following characteristic is true related to mating spur gear? So correct answer is A. Large diameter gear will rotate at slow speed. Question number 9. High pressure steam drains are normally discharged to. So correct answer is A. DC heater. Question number 10. To determine if lube oil filter elements need charging. So correct answer is D. Check the pressure drop across the filter. Question number 11. If the analysis of used lube oil indicates high contents of iron particles, this could indicate. So correct answer is C. Excessive ring and liner wear. Question number 12. Two important considerations to maintain proper lubrication of diesel engine includes the delivery of oil in sufficient along with an acceptable, answer is C, viscosity index. Question number 13. Fuel oil contamination of an auxiliary diesel engine lube oil can result in, answer is D, lower lube oil pressure. Question number 14. A well lubricated bearing surface always appears, answer is D, highly polished. Question number 15. Blow through of water level gauge is carried out, answer is B, every day. Question number 16. If a salinity alarm system indicates 2.5 grains per gallon at the main condensate pump discharge, your first action should be to, answer is B, chemically test condensate for chloride content. Question number 17. Auxiliary boilers, exhaust gas boiler and all other boilers are surveyed every dash yearly for the first 8 years and thereafter dash yearly. So for the first 8 years it is surveyed every 2 years and rest of the time it is surveyed annually. That is 1. Option is B, 2, 1. Question number 18. Water tube high pressure boilers are inspected every dash years. So correct answer is D, 2 years. Question number 19. Steam plant has been running on steady load and the turbine operation suddenly stops on a vibration tip. If this is due to fault in the boiler system, identify which one is most likely. So answer is C, high level TDS and oily sludge content in the boiler. Question number 20. Low water in boiler, water out of side in one boiler while the plant has been running without any problems. Identify the most likely reason. So correct answer is tube failure. Question number 21. Prior to relieving the watch, you should first check fire room status by verifying the fuel oil pressure to the boilers and answer is boiler steam pressure. During question number 22, during port watch on board the tank vessel while cargo operations are in progress with the jacking gear engaged and running, you notice 200 gallon drop in the reduction gear lube oil sump level. Which component or condition should be checked immediately? So correct answer is B. Confirm with deck officer that there was a change in vessel trim. Question number 23. Which steam plant watch operating condition will require priority attention over the other situations listed? So correct answer is A. Low level lube oil gravity tank. Question number 24. What immediate action you should take when you are on watch and note zero lube oil pressure for the operating marine turbine? So correct answer is C. Stop the shafts. Question number 25. When relieving the watch in fire room, you should first check the boiler water level and answer is B. The condition of furnace fire. Question number 26. Prior to relieving the watch, you should first check the fire room status by verifying the water level and answer is B. Fuel pressure to burners. Question number 27. When relieving the watch in the fire room, you should first check the boiler water level and answer is A. Boiler steam pressure. Question number 28. Which steam plant watch operating condition will require priority attention over the other situations listed below? So correct answer is D. High water level in the main propulsion boiler. Question number 29. When relieving the watch in the fire room, you should first check the boiler water level and answer is B. Fuel pressure to burners. Question number 13. During cargo operations, you notice a very large increase in reduction gear lube oil sump level from previous logbook entries. What would be the most probable cause of this large increase in sump level? So correct answer is lube oil gravity tank is empty. C. Question number 31. If the pressure becomes excessive in the auxiliary exhaust system of a steam propulsion plant, the excess steam will normally be dumped to. Correct answer is D. Main condenser. Question number 32. If a salinity indicator located in the main condensate pump discharge piping causes an alarm to sound, there is a danger of. Correct answer is C. Salting up the boiler. Question number 33. Makeup feed water is brought into operating closed feed water system via. So correct answer is D. Condenser vacuum drag line. Question number 34. While underway, vacuum in main condenser is primarily caused by. Correct answer is B. Condensing the exhausting system. Question number 35. In which of the following types of condensers would you find the cooling water passing through the tubes with the turbo generator exhaust system indicated around the outside of tubes? So answer is C. Surface. Question number 36. Electrolytic corrosion in the condenser circulating water system can be reduced by. Answer is B. Using zinc plates in the water boxes. Question number 37. In a closed feed and water cycle, which of the conditions listed below could prevent vacuum from reaching the desired level? So answer is B. Marine growth on the cooling water side on the main condenser. Question number 38. One of the basic rules applying to the operation of single pass main condenser is that the answer is A. Cooling water overboard should be of about 10 degree Fahrenheit higher than the initial temperature. Question number 39. Air trapped within main condenser shell is harmful because it will. Answer is B. Decrease the vacuum in main condenser. Question number 40. Which of the condensers listed below are cooled by seawater? Answer is B. Main condenser. Question number 41. If the pressure becomes excessive in the auxiliary exhaust system of a steam propulsion plant, the excess steam will be normally dumped to the answer is D. Main condenser. Question number 42. If the salinity indicator located in the main condensate pump discharge piping causes an alarm to sound, there is a danger of. Answer is C. Salting of the boilers. Question number 43. Makeup feed water is brought into action. Makeup feed water is brought into an operating closed feed system via the answer is condenser vacuum drag line. Question number 44. While underway, a vacuum in the main condenser is primarily caused by answer is B. The condensing of exhausting system. Question number 45. Identify two methods of freshwater production on board ships. Answer is B. Distillation and reverse osmosis. Question number 46. When operating with auxiliary feed line, feed water flow is controlled. Answer is A. Manually by throttling the auxiliary feed stop check valve. Question number 47. The function of feed booster pump is to. Answer is increase the net positive suction head of the main feed pump. Question number 48. The pressure in the feed water system must exceed boiler steam drum pressure in order to. Answer is C. Force the feed water into the boiler. Question number 49. What is the salinity of freshwater produced from the thermal process in terms of ppm of chloride? Answer is less than 4 ppm. Question number 50. Recirculation of feed water ensures a flow of water through the answer is A. Main feed pump. Question number 51. Insufficient cooling water circulation through air ejector, intercondensers and after condensers will cause answer is A. Decreased vacuum in main condenser. Question number 52. Air accumulated in the after condenser of the air ejector unit is discharged directly to the answer is D. Atmosphere. Question number 53. Discharging an excess amount of cold water into DC heater during normal steaming condition could cause answer is B. Excess oxygen in the feed water. Question number 54. Which of the following conditions listed could prevent a centrifugal condensate pump from developing its rated capacity? So answer is B. Closing the water seal line to packing gland. Question number 55. What boiler water chemistry is necessary to ensure the precipitation of hard scale forming calcium? So correct answer is D. Boiler water should have reserve of phosphates. Question number 56. What is the main purpose of boiler water chemical treatment? So correct answer is C. To prevent scaling and corrosion in the boiler. Question number 57. Any feed water testing done on a routine basis would normally include testing for answer is A. Chloride. Question number 58. Condensate pH test is carried out to answer is C. Measure alkalinity and acidity of the boiler water. Question number 59. At what intervals the boiler water chemical should be added? Answer is B. Tests are carried out regularly and depending upon the test results chemicals are added. Question number 60. For a high pressure boiler for a pressure range between 60 to 84 bar or 800 to 1200 psi, the following needs must be recognized for feed water. Identify one that is not appropriate. Answer is D. Needs high purity steam to the turbine. Question number 61. The boiler water hardness in modern high pressure boilers should be kept as close to as possible. Sorry, I will repeat again. Question number 61. Boiler water hardness in modern high pressure boilers should be kept as close to zero as possible by chemically treating with. Answer is A. Trisodium phosphate. Question number 62. For a high pressure boiler, for a pressure range between 60 to 84 bar or 800 to 1200 psi, the following needs must be recognized. Identify one that is not appropriate. So answer is D. Use of two different phosphate prevented any issues with the complete program control of the feed water. Question number 63. A sodium phosphate test is performed on a boiler water sample to determine if. Answer is A. There is any excess sulfate present. Question number 64. Boiler water hardness is increased by. Correct answer is B. Scale forming salts in the feed water. Question number 65. Find the incorrect system regarding the high pressure boiler combustion control system. Description. So answer is D. The system works on a feed forward type of control without needing a feedback. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and ये वीडियो आपको हेल्पफुल रहेगा एग्जामिनेशंस क्लियर करने के लिए, एंड बाकी लोगों के साथ भी वीडियो को शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी हेल्प हो जाए, एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन।